This is the BBC from London. An emergency broadcast will follow shortly. We regret to inform you that fictional characters from multiple universes are declaring war on Britain. A few moments ago, Son Goku of the Dragon World has destroyed everything in London and surrounding areas, including Essex and Kent. There is no evidence about how they came here, but some sources state that a portal to Earth has been opened up by accident and someone entered it for curiosity's sake. The person who opened the portal has been taken to the police for interrogation. We urge everyone to remain calm and follow these essential instructions during these times of hardship and chaos. First, buy a kilogram pack of tea bags and go to the nearest body of water. Afterwards, dump all of the tea bags into the water. This will distract the enemies and give you a chance to take them down if possible. As the nation is currently going through a war with fictional characters, it is highly recommended that you do not watch television shows other than the news. Use the internet or socialize with friends and family. This is to protect their well-being as well as yours. Additionally, these animated characters are deemed hostile and can fight back with a variety of objects they can use as weapons, and some of them can defy the laws of gravity. There is nothing we, the general public, can do, so it is strongly advised that you do not come into eye contact with them. Unfortunately, due to the ongoing crisis and the amount of resources we need to deal with the aftermath of the war, we regret to inform you that the CBBS channel will shut down permanently, and all of their programming will move to CBBC in 2 weeks' time. Everyone is trying their best to fend the enemies off and send them back to their rightful place. Please stay tuned to the BBC for further updates and instructions as they become available. We are deeply saddened to inform you that a fictional character under the name of Norville Shaggy Rogers used a small portion of his power to obliterate all of northwest England and southern Scotland. This is an unexpected turn of events, and we must survive this hardship with bravery and dignity. We can confirm that the Prime Minister, David Cameron, has been informed about the war. It is reported that someone approached him and said, "What a cartoon, sir." In order to prioritize the public's safety, it has been decided that all television channels, including the BBC, will temporarily stop broadcasting comedy and entertainment shows until further notice. This is to ensure the well-being of the public. We understand that the country is going through some tough times at the moment, but together we must stay vigilant and protect one another, and peace and tranquility shall prevail. We urge you to stay informed through trusted and official sources of information and follow all instructions provided by the authorities. Once again, peace and tranquility shall prevail. Thank you for listening and stay safe.